Hi everybody, I'm Gabriel with Academy of Games, and today I want to talk to you about why everybody should be learning game development, specifically with Unity, and what we do here at Academy of Games. So Unity is a really cool program where you can make any game you could ever imagine. It's free to download and millions of professionals use it today. One of the coolest things is that Unity uses C#, one of the most widely used programming languages around the world. So when you learn to make games, you're learning how to build websites, create machine learning algorithms, and make apps. It also means you have the foundation to learn other programming languages like Java and Python. And making games is the most fun way to learn to code. But besides programming, you also get to learn how to build 3D worlds. We'll learn drawing techniques and how to create 3D models. It's basically like Minecraft to the next level. So it takes a lot of different people to build games. And one of the coolest things is that you'll be learning how to collaborate with people all around the world and connecting with people that are passionate about gaming. At your first class in Academy of Games, we'll get right to creating. You'll be able to build your own adventure game and learn programming principles. And once you're ready, we'll launch your game to the App Store where all your friends can play it. I'm so excited to start our classes, and I know you're going to have a lot of fun learning. So sign up today and receive your first class for free.